Alright, picture this. You're chilling on the beach, watching waves roll in. But what really makes a wave? A wave! Let me break down the 3.5 key features of waves you need to remember. First up, amplitude. Think of amplitude as the height of a wave from its calm center to its highest point, the crest. The bigger the amplitude, the more energy the wave packs. That's why a massive ocean swell can knock you off your feet, while a tiny ripple barely rustles your toes. So amplitude isn't just for show, it's all about power. Next, let's talk about wavelength. Imagine measuring the distance from one wave crest to the very next crest. That's wavelength, and we use the Greek letter lambda L to represent it. In a ripple tank, it might be just 5 centimeters, but for sound zipping through the air at 340 meters per second at 680 hertz, wavelength is about half a meter. So different waves, different wavelengths. Now on to frequency. Frequency tells me how many full waves pass by every single second. It's measured in hertz. For example, that classic tuning fork, when it hums at 440 hertz, it means 440 waves every second are cruising past. And if I know the frequency and wavelength, I can easily calculate the speed of the wave. Which brings us to wave speed. Speed is just wavelength times frequency, and it totally depends on what the wave's traveling through. Sound in air clocks in at around 343 meters per second, but on the surface of a pond, it's way slower. Think half a meter to 5 meters per second. So, whether you're shouting across a canyon or dropping a pebble in a lake, wave speed is all about the medium. And here's that 0.5 feature, energy. Energy in a wave grows with the square of the amplitude, and it also depends on frequency and the medium. So, a louder sound isn't just more annoying, it's literally carrying more energy. And those high-frequency electromagnetic waves, they're delivering more energy in every single photon. So next time you're watching waves, at the beach, on your speakers, or even in a science lab, remember amplitude, wavelength, frequency, speed, and that sneaky half feature, energy. Amplitude, wavelength, frequency, speed, energy. That's what makes waves so fascinating and so powerful.